final shoveling of the snow before we go to bed. And check of the igloo. And it's looking pretty good. Get down here. Okay, yeah, looking pretty good. We had one little bit of the igloo go down, but it was just up here where it was attaching to the deck. So we're gonna probably shore that up. Everything else is looking good. It just looks a lot shorter because there's a lot of snow on the ground now, like 2 feet since last night. I think we're gonna go sledding today if we just don't sink to our necks. Unbelievably, it is now snowing even harder. And we got to get to work on the back deck because there's just tons of weight and tons of snow. The barbecue we cleared last night is now a peak. Doink!